Breaking news, my wonderful people. It seems that the crisis in Rivers State has no ending, as a court have ordered the arrest of Governor Fubara's chief of staff, Edison, Ehie, and others. Yes, my country people, a federal high court in Abuja issued a branch warrant against the chief of staff to the governor, Fubara, Edison, Ehie, over the burning of the Rivers State House of Assembly complex. Now, Justice Emeka Nweti on Wednesday also ordered the arrest, the investigation, and the trial of Bala, Happy Benedict, Progress Joseph, Akokiyi, Onyagiri, Chibuike Peter, also known as Rambo. Now, this order followed an ex parte application by the Inspector General of Police against the factional speaker of the State Assembly and other suspects. Now, this application was filed by the Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Samon Long, on the Deputy Commissioner of Police. And guys, the IGP have accused these defendants, said to be at large, of offences of conspiracy, of terrorism, and also the murder of a superintendent of police, Bako, and other 5 police informants. Now, at this point, this is a very delicate issue, and it has gotten to the point whereby the Federal High Court ordered the arrest of Governor Fubara's chief of staff, Edison Ehie, over alleged terrorism charges. Now, a federal high court in Abuja have issued a warrant for the arrest of Ehie over his alleged involvement in the burning of the River State House of Assembly complex. Guys, we remember how this River State House of Assembly complex was burnt down amid the impeachment plot against Governor Fubara. Yes, we can recall back then in 2023 October precisely, they were impeachment plots by some pro-Wike lawmakers that were hell bent on impeaching Fubara. They tried all their best, but amid all this impeachment plots, we heard an explosion, had rocked the complex of the River State House of Assembly, and that led to the automatic demolition of the River State House of Assembly complex, whereby Governor Fubara had to bring bulldozers to bring down the structures. And yes, it left many people talking and wondering, is this Fubara fighting back, or what is really happening? Because the fire incident really destroyed a section of the River State House of Assembly complex, and due to that effect, the governor said he had to pull the structures down and he would raise another structures. Also gave examples that most of the building materials are weak and has really stand the test of time and can no longer function the way it was 20 years back when it was built. So he had to pull the structures down. And at this point, we saw how the speaker resigned, and after his resignation, Fubara appointed him as his chief of staff. But immediately after the appointment, a federal high court in Abuja issued a warrant of arrest against Edison Ehie. So guys, what are your thoughts on this? I don't understand what is going on here. The fact that they are pointing at Edison Ehie for the burning of the River State complex. Yes, a lot of people had sensed that the burning of that River State complex was done by some of Fubara's allies, some of his loyalists, that they did so to avoid and to fight off those impeachment plots against the governor, back then when the pro-Wike loyalists were hell-bent on impeaching Governor Fubara. So my country people, this is just a judicial drama in Rivers State. And at this point, we are here to get to the root of this matter on the arrest of Edison Ehie, the chief of staff to Governor Fubara of Rivers State. Now, Nigerians have reacted. When this country will burn its judiciary, then it would be wood and fire. The truth about the killing of the former DPO of Ahoda will come out. Fubara must take charge of his state. I will not forgive you if you allow these boys to remove you from office. With all the powers of River State people will not forgive you. The Nigerian youth will not forgive you. Now, why Abuja? That crime happened in River State. So what happened? Okay, what is the connection between the burning of the Rivers State Assembly and the murder of a police officer? I hope the governor fights back as a man in authority. Rivers State does not belong to Wike. It's all because Governor Fubara appointed Edison as the chief of staff last week, contrary to Wike's wishes. Guys, he don't set. Fubara, in short, engage militiamen. You will have them enough. Don't allow any court to suppress you. You will win. I repeat in my statement, Fubara will soon be impeached. All federal agencies will be used to exhaust his powers. He played himself to the gallery when he allowed himself to accept Tinubu's deadly 8 points. Now, that is my problem for him. That is a problem for him. He's not an executive by power, but only by mouth. Now, the so-called godfather of Fubara should give him breathing space. Let him concentrate on the governance of the state. The federal government, corner River State government, Fubara will regret the agreement Tinubu forced him to sign. The Nigerian public should now understand clearly that our leaders are not after leading our country in the right direction, but for their selfish reason. Now, why this continuous fight? What has really gone wrong with the judiciary? When has it been the court that will order arrest? The investigation of the chief of staff? What is the job of the police? Has the police finished investigating the matter? After which they placed an arrest before taking it to court. The people ruling this country should be careful of the way they carry out their duties, and the judiciary should be mindful of its actions not to put this country on fire. Well, my country people, these are reactions from Nigerians. At this point, a lot of people are sensing Wike's hand in this arrest warrant by the court on Edison Ehie. A lot of people are suspecting Wike's hand in this, that Wike may be playing another game, hell-bent on frustrating Fubara, making sure that his government, lacks peace. And at this point, dragging Edison Ehie. So it has turned from a political drama into a judicial drama. So my country people, I'm dropping here. Make una con chook mouth for this matter. Kindly share your thoughts on this in the comment section. Thank you.